rappers trained by Tizzle himself. The screen will be going down soon. Oh dear. 10 what? Hi? Hi? Oh dear, there is a lot of missed calls.
30 messages and all these.
Either way, let's take the phone. Let's just answer this for a second. Give me a sec. Where's the answer it? Good morning. I just hear a lot of hissing.
Hey, who's like
Either way.
What, Snape? Snape in the house? Okay, next performance.
Yeah, well, since the screen is down, sound lagging, let's cue the video. No, wait, don't cue the video. No, don't cue the video. We have some gangster music, please. There we go.
Thank you very much. We'd like to say thank you very much to all the other competitors. Go about trying hard, you know? Thank you. First of all, let me just introduce myself and my homegirls. Some of you know me as DJ K-Dubs. Over here, we got my sister girlfriend, Dr. Murphy Hay. Yo, over here, we got my other homegirl, Mayas. That's right, girl. What's going on? Go.
We would like to welcome you to the Hoskin Club tonight.
Yo!
We are lucky to be in this fine establishment. But before we show you our debut, sorry for those of you who speak French, debut.
Debut, y'all.
We would like a little bit of crowd interaction. So, if we may, all the math nerds out there, put your calculators in the air and say, yeah! Yeah! Now say pi squared! Pi squared! All the fawners out there, put your hose in the air and say, yeah! Yeah! Thank you. If we could cue the video now, that would be awesome. I would like to thank Little Sen DJ Fan.
Woo, let's give it up for our filmmaker. Hope you all enjoy our little appropriation, y'all.
English pay.